Hi, welcome to this video where I'm going to tell you how I went from this sketchbook to this zine and how much fun it was in the process. The first step I took to make my sketchbook into a zine was to gather all my sketchbooks together, and I have a lot of them. And then I scanned every single page in every single sketchbook, which was a lot of work. But having done that, I now have a huge catalog of all of my drawings from these sketchbooks into one big file of images. The next thing I had to do was to organize my pages. So I brought all my scans into Procreate and started cutting them apart, and I added a little hand-drawn border, and then I started placing the little icons all over the pages, wherever I felt like they fit best. And this was a really fun part of the process for me. Now, the next step is I'm designing the actual interior of my zine. So I've already uploaded a cover design that I had done in Canva, and this program I'm working in now is Canva. You can use the pro version, which I have, or you can do everything I'm doing here in the free version. That's the inside cover, a little note to my readers. And then I had previously uploaded these pages from Procreate. These are little JPEGs that I made from my Procreate program, and I am just adding in each one of the pages. So there are 12 pages of content in this zine, plus the 4-page cover, front, back, and both inside of the covers. So I'm just popping these in one page at a time. I'm speeding up the film a little so you don't have to watch me do it in slow-mo. So once I have all my pages in, I'm going to save this as a PDF. So now I'm going back. That's my inside back cover and my back cover of the zine. And now I am saving it as a PDF for print and downloading that so that I can upload that later to the printer that I'm using. Simple. And you can do it all in Canva. It's great. Okay, well, how fun was that? Now, FYI, I chose to use an outside printer for my final zine. And that link to the printer that I used is in the description down below. And just so you know, that's not an affiliate for me. I just found them to be really fast and a really good price for what I wanted. And all I had to do was take that PDF, upload it, tell them the specs on the paper that I wanted and how many I needed. And it was very fast to get them. So I was very happy about that. I will probably do these eventually on my own printer, but sometimes that hurts my head. And I just wanted to see how this would look with really good paper. So I'm very excited about that. It makes a really good quality zine if you want to sell them. So yeah, that's why I chose to do that. If you are interested in more information about sketchbooks or zines or how to combine those things, I would love to do more videos about this, and I will keep you posted on new ideas. And I'm working on another one, which is really fun. And I will let you know when that is ready. So thank you so much for stopping by. If this interests you, please let me know in the comments. And thanks for coming. I really appreciate it. So take care, have a great day, and go draw some pictures. Bye.